High above your head, a deadly invisible minefield is orbiting Earth, and we put it there. Imagine tens of thousands of bullets, some smaller than a coin, hurtling around the planet at 17,000 miles per hour. Welcome to the orbital graveyard. This isn't science fiction. Space debris is real, from tiny paint flecks to dead satellites and entire rocket stages. While there are thousands of active satellites keeping our modern world running, there are over 1 million pieces of tracked junk, mostly in low Earth orbit. And here's the nightmare scenario. Every collision creates more fragments, triggering a chain reaction called the Kessler Syndrome, a runaway process that could make space nearly impossible to use. Your GPS, weather forecast, global communications, even your ability to stream this video all rely on satellites. Now imagine losing them. Even a tiny shard of debris, moving faster than a bullet, can obliterate billion-dollar satellites. Military, scientific, and exploration missions would be crippled, jeopardizing national security and our future in space. We've already had wake-up calls. In 2009, the Iridium cosmos collision created thousands of fragments in seconds. Since then, near misses have become routine. Satellite operators now spend millions on evasive maneuvers to avoid catastrophe. And the rise of mega-constellations like Starlink and OneWeb, they're boosting the odds of disaster in already crowded skies. But we're not powerless. Engineers are testing nets, harpoons, even lasers to capture and remove large debris. New satellites are being designed with design for Demise principles, burning up harmlessly when their missions end. Rules now require end-of-life disposal plans, moving spacecraft to safer graveyard orbits or back into Earth's atmosphere. Here's the catch. Space is everyone's backyard, but no one truly owns it. Without international cooperation and tougher enforcement, new debris will outpace removal. We need a united approach from policymakers to space agencies to preserve the orbital environment we all depend on. Protecting our orbital assets isn't just a space industry problem. It's about safeguarding the backbone of our modern world and our future in space exploration. If we act now, we can keep the skies open. If we wait, the orbital graveyard may become a permanent prison. The future of space and life on Earth is riding on this.